जस्टिस राव से इस पर कमेंट चाहूंगी। जस्टिस राव, आप इस स्थिति पर क्या बोलेंगे?
मैडम, the questions what you have raised have been answered by the 7th bench, constitutional bench of the Supreme Court. Economic, in the beginning itself I said, economic aspects, everything. Here, there is something lacking on the part of the government. See, they can use these bovine animals for manure production, biomanure production. They should allot funds. They should create goshalas. And they should all use all these bovine and then this cow dung, urine, everything. They say alternate biomanure produced in a large quantities, you can even export and make money. See, you have not even commercialized this activity. I never mix up this religion. From economic aspect itself, Supreme Court has answered this issue.
बिल्कुल, लेकिन आप ये तो अब मानते हैं कि ये इस चीज को तो हम सभी शायद मानते होंगे पैनल पे कि कहीं ना कहीं ये जो भी मसला उठा रहे हैं, जिस तरह से नियम बना दिए जा रहे हैं, जिस तरह से एक विवाद सोसाइटी में दिख रही है, खबरों में आ रही है, राजनीति में दिख रही है, उसके लिए हमारी तैयारी नहीं है। पहले तैयारी हो जाए, उसके बाद हम इस तरह की चीजों को लेकर आगे बढ़े।
It's not a question. Cow protection is not a question issue involved here. Unnecessarily, it is being politicized for election purposes, for vote bank purposes. This is not an issue at all. This is not an issue at all, not to be discussed. Because cow protection, cow slaughter ban has been upheld. And the benefits of the cow and other bovine animals have been said. And how to make use of it is a policy of the government. They should make further initiation. As far as this notification, the issue is only notification.
Notification के अलावा
notification exempts. You can't under the notification.
Notification के अलावा जो confusion वो यही है कि काउ स्लॉटिंग से ज्यादा बीफ को लेकर उसकी कोई clarity.
This confusion is created only by a certain section for political purpose. I am telling from the beginning. See, this notification does not ban. So only the cat, you can't hold a cattle fair for the purpose of sale to the slaughterhouse. That is the only thing. That is the only thing. There is no ban on beef eating. There is no ban on slaughtering. There is no ban.
लेकिन यही बात हम लोग रख रहे हैं जस्टिस राव कि जिस तरह से विभिन्न राज्यों में आपने केरला का उदाहरण देखा है, अभी आप मद्रास में देख रहे हैं बीफ ईटिंग को लेकर ही जिस तरह से पूरा मामला बढ़ा है।
They have not decided. They have granted only state. That does not mean the case is decided. The case is not decided. And the case has not been. Only stay has been granted. That does not mean.
जिस तरह से मामला ये बढ़ाया गया, उस मामले को इस तरह का रूप दिया गया कि मानो जैसे काउ स्लॉटिंग भी गुनाह है।
No, cow is not the issue here. Please, madam, please make it point. Make the point clear. Cow is not an issue here. It is only the notification that has to be debated. Unnecessarily, they are mixing the cow. They are mixing the food habits. Unnecessarily, these things are being hyped up.